fish saw a boy swimming in the ocean. They became friends. They would play tag and tell stories. One day, a big fish came by. He was moaning and groaning loudly. So they moved to a different part of the ocean to play. The big fish kept following them. Finally, the little fish said, "You're being way too loud." The big fish said, "I'm so sorry, but my tooth hurts so much." The boy said, "Oh, well, I have a friend who's a dentist. Maybe she can help." They all got together. The boy's friend told the big fish to say, "Ah." She'd solved the tooth that was hurting and pulled it out. The big fish felt much better. They all had a big party with a jumpy house and ice cream. The end.